Hey guys, Stan Dale, President Florida Suncoast. Hope you're doing well. Hey, before you write me an email, I know that's not a BMW behind me, but it's pretty anyhow. I got our daughter's Jeep. We're up in North Carolina for a couple of days, just doing some planning up here, and then we're going to turn and burn and head back to Florida. And we've got a busy month already. I think we got 9 or 10 or 12 events for the month of April already heading up. I don't see anything this weekend, and I know that we have Easter coming up, and so we'll take a little time off for that. And then we're right back heavy into it. April 2nd, we've got the Clearwater meeting up in St. Pete, Jeff's group. And then April 6th, double down. April 6th, Saturday morning, we're all meeting at Sarasota Cars and Coffee, as we did last year. And we'll head from Sarasota Cars and Coffee over to, from there, we'll head over to the picnic at Heidi's house. So it's she's opened her home again, the second year that we'll do this. And I think it's capped for about 50 folks. And we're gonna go hang out there for the Saturday afternoon. So we'll go Cars and Coffee in the morning at BMW Sarasota on April 6th, and then we'll head over to Heidi's for the afternoon event. So it should be a lot of fun. Always is, always was. April 7th, Sunday morning after that, is Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte, the breakfast there with John and Irwin and all the guys. And so that should be fun, always is. Go ahead and get your RSVP in for Revs Institute. I think I said last week it's one of the top five car museums in the world, and it's the #1 museum in the state of Florida. Every time I go, I see something really cool. If you've never been, you got to get on the bus. And then I think we have lunch planned afterwards. I think that's the deal, but check out the RSV, check out the thing on the calendar. You'll see all the details. And that's Anthony and Deb's set up there. We've got that going. And then April 13th, we have the Jacksonville Caffeine and Octane. That is just turning out to be a blast. I'm seeing all kind of stuff going on up in Jacksonville. And that's just on fire, wide open. So check that out. And then April 13th, we also have Kyle's outing at Lakeland, Cars and Coffee. Great month last month, almost 30 cars there and a ton of folks. So go check that out. And then we're back to Fort Myers on April 20th. Then we roll into the month of May. But before we get past, let me remind you that we're heading up on April the 18th. It's a Thursday, to the MIX in Greenville. They're in Greer, South Carolina. We have the hotel set up, and I'll ask Carol to put this up on our website so you'll know the connections and all that kind of stuff. So we'll get that put together. I'm going. I know 4 or 5 others that are going, and then there's some connection points in the mix when you go sign up. And we're going to head up. We'll head up Thursday. We'll have dinner together on Thursday night. We have the Performance Center on Friday, and then there's other events and drives and things going on up there. The MIX is a ton of fun. So looking forward to that. Looking forward to the drive and sort of hanging out and having some fun. So until then, check us out. To all the new folks that are visiting our website and jumping on our Facebook account. Glad to have you. Come on out. It's just a ton of fun. I think we've got some really good numbers on our Facebook account now, so jump on there and check out all the interactions. Until then, what we say normally is happy motoring. We'll see you guys. Thanks. Bye now.